We'll guide you through how to use Find My iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll be covering setting up Find My iPhone and then using it to find and track your own iPhone and using it to go and find and track someone else's iPhone. So make sure you watch this full guide so you know what you need to do. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and open up the settings app if you haven't already got it turned on your iPhone. So come onto the iPhone where you're trying to set this up for. Then you go to the top and you can go and press on your Apple ID account. Go down and you can press Find My. Then you can press Find My iPhone at the top. Make sure you switch on Find My iPhone and you can switch on Find My Network and send last location. So now it's going to be appearing in the Find My app on your Apple ID. Now, what you can do if you're trying to track your own iPhone is go into the Find My app on another device, as of course you don't currently have it. You can also access this online. I'll cover that in a moment. So you can go open it up. Then you can go to the bottom and press devices and you'll be able to go and see your devices here, tap on the one you're trying to go and track, and then you'll go and see its location and some different options. Now you may be in the situation of where you're trying to go and find your own iPhone. So then what you'll need to do is go into someone else's iPhone or another device you have. Open up a web browser. You'll need to go and press search and you can go and type in Find My like so. You'll see Find Devices Apple iCloud on iCloud.com. Tap there and you can then go and press sign in like so. Now, if you're using someone else's iPhone, you may get this pop-up, but you want to go and close this off like this. Then press email or phone number and you can start typing it in. Enter in your password and you can go and press sign in like so. Here we are, it's now loading the map. Now you can scroll down, find the device you're looking for and hopefully be able to go and find and track it and you're using it online. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.